Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Indian dish, and I think this one is from South India, and it's fish curry. And this one is by far one of the best fish curries I've ever had, because I'm very skeptical about fish curry. Sometimes I feel like the flavors are not that well, or like they're not just they don't merge together as well as other types of curries. So this one is actually perfect because you get those spices. It's nice and spicy, it's creamy, it's smooth, it's rich in flavor, and the fish is soft, flaky, and absolutely delicious. And it's super easy and quick to make. So let's show you guys fish curry with coconut milk. Here we have half a kilogram of boneless white fish that we've cut into big pieces, 2 medium tomatoes that we've blended, 2 medium onions that are finely chopped, 2 chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, a handful of curry leaves, and here we have half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and mustard seeds. And for our spices, we have half a teaspoon each coriander powder, garam masala, cumin and chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. And here we have 1 cup coconut milk, and we're going to need half a cup of water. First step, on medium heat, we have our pan heating up, and now we're going to add to it coconut oil and the whole spices, and we're going to saute this for a little bit. So I immediately tossed them into the oil and the pan, because my pan already was heating up, so it was hot enough when I added the coconut oil, so therefore I immediately added the whole spices. So there is this popping sound, and which means we can move on to the next step. We're going to add with them the curry leaves. So we've added the curry leaves, and now we're going to saute those for a little bit as well. So after sauteing these for a bit, now we're going to add to them the onion. So after the onion, we're adding in the chilies, and we're going to saute these until the onions turn nice and transparent. So now that it is turned nice and transparent, we're going to add in the ginger garlic paste, and we're going to saute it until you don't smell that raw garlic smell anymore. So I don't smell that raw garlic smell anymore, and now I'm going to add the tomatoes. And now we're just going to saute everything 3 to 4 minutes. So it's been a few minutes. Now we're going to add the spices, and I forgot to mention this earlier, but we're also going to need salt and pepper. Salt, pepper. So we're going to saute the masala really well until you see the oil separate and start floating to the surface. So now we're going to add the equivalent of half a cup of water, and we're going to let the masala cook 5 to 7 minutes. So it's been about 7 minutes, and it smells amazing. So this is what it looks like, and everything is well cooked right now. Now we're going to add the coconut milk, mix it, and once it reaches boiling point, we're going to add the fish. So we're adding the coconut milk, and just give it a mix. So this, the color is amazing. I really don't think the camera and the light does it justice, but it looks really nice. So now we're going to wait for it to start boiling. So now that it has reached boiling, and of course make sure to test for salt beforehand, just to add to add in case you need to. I added a little bit more, and once it has reached boiling, we're going to gently place our fish in there. So once you've distributed the fish all over the pan, we're going to cover it and let it cook for a maximum of 10 minutes since it's delicate white fish and it cooks very quickly. So it's been about 10 minutes and it smells amazing. So now it's ready to serve. So this is what the fish curry looks like now that it has cooked. It smells amazing, it looks nice and rich, and the fish looks well cooked. So I can't wait to try it. So to serve it, I served this alongside some rice, and I just want to show you guys what the fish looks like. So it cuts easily. Look how nice and white it is. Wow. The fish is so soft and flaky, and it's not overcooked, of course. There is that hint of spiciness from all those spices, and it tastes really well, so I highly recommend trying it because it's a lot of flavor. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on my social media so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!